purchases ledger control account. First off, what's the meaning of purchases ledger control account? Have you ever heard of purchases ledger control account before? A purchases ledger control account is a type of control account that is used in accounting to summarize and monitor transactions that is related to accounts payable and even purchases that is being made by a business. So it provides a summarized view of the individual balances in the accounts payable subsidiary ledger, thereby making it easier to track and manage purchases and payables. It is fundamental accounting tool that helps to serve as a summary account for transactions related to accounts payable and even purchases made on credits by a business. So these control accounts provide a concise and systematic overview of the company's total purchases and outstanding payable balances, which in line can help to streamline financial management, reporting, and even reconciling processes. Having known the meaning of that, it is crucial for us to know that it is an integral part of the company's general ledger and plays a crucial role in maintaining accurate financial reporting. So guys, let's talk about the purpose and significance of purchases ledger control account. I'm going to take this in a sequential way. So the primary purpose of a purchases ledger control account is just to monitor and manage the company's credit purchases and outstanding liabilities to suppliers. But it has several significant functions. I'm going to take this point by point. The first point is summarization. The control account consolidates and summarizes the balances of individual accounts payable in the purchases ledger. What this simplifies is that in the process of tracking and managing a large numbers of transactions, it often helps. The second point is reconciliation. The purchase ledger control account helps to reconcile the balances of the subsidiary ledger. What I mean by this is the individual accounts payable with the general ledger. Reconciliation ensures accuracy and helps to detect any discrepancies or errors. The third point is error detection. As I said, discrepancies between the total of individual accounts payable and the balance in the control account can reveal errors or omission in recording transactions. That's about the error detection. Another point that I feel that you guys need to know is internal controls. The control account enhances internal control by promoting accuracy and accountability in the accounts payable process because it helps in fraud prevention and management oversight. The management oversight here in this instance is the management will be able to foresee any kind of fraud activities that is bound or about to happen in their organization. Another point that is important to know is management reporting. The summarized information in the control accounts offers management a quick overview of company's credit purchasing activities and even outstanding liabilities. With this, it often aids decision making and proper financial making for the organization or the company. Another point that is important to know is preparation of financial statements. So guys, the control account balance is used in preparation of financial statements. The main reason for this is that it accurately reflects the company's liabilities to suppliers at any given point in time.